White sweater. I love the white sweater. I would rate the white sweater a 5.
A 5?
Uh-huh.
So there's nothing you would change?
I wouldn't change anything about it, no.
Okay. What would you give this on a scale from 1 to 5?
I'll give that a 4. That's cute. 4.
4?
Yeah.
I give it a 5.
5.
5? Okay.
Oh, so we look at the, I thought we were looking at the actual thing.
No, not the actual thing.
The white skirt is a 5.
I would say a 5.
Okay.
I love the way it looks on you.
Thank you.
I would say a 5.
The brown tank top. I probably would give that one a 4.5.
4.5. So how would it get the half point?
Well, see here, it looks like there's some shading in the yarn. Or either it's see-through, I can't tell what it is, but it doesn't look solid. It looks like something is on it. That's
Okay.
all.
Okay. It's the same top. Would you give this one?
Wait, the top? The
Yeah,
top?
the top.
Oh, 5.
5?
5.
It's aesthetic?
Yes, that's pretty.
What would you do?
That's pretty. 3.
3? What would you change?
This will kind of be up a little bit.
I'm exposing myself too much? Thank you, Nancy. Okay. That's good.
That looks pretty.
That's a brown tank top?
Uh-huh. It's like a tannish color.
Like the color of the sofa,
Yeah.
right? I would say a 4.
A 4. Why would you say a 4?
I'd have it coming up a little.
Higher. You sound like Elsie.
A little bit low.
I would say a 5.
A
You
5?
say a 5?
Okay.
The Crochet Ruana, I would rate that one a 5.
A 5. So there's nothing you would change
I
on that
wouldn't
one.
change anything about it. I love that.
Okay. Wrap thingy.
Yeah, that's a 5.
5.
5. You
No,
can't
no,
go
5.
10.
5.
That looks store bought. 5.
Wow.
It does. 5.
5, Zimmer? Okay.
Oh, wow. That's a 5 for sure.
Yeah, that's definitely a 5.
That's nice.
So what I'm wearing right now, what would you rate?
I love that. I love the cardigan. I would not change anything about it, and I would rate it a 5.
So a 5 on that one too. Orange sweater.
5. 5. That looks
4.
store bought as well. 3.
3. Okay.
Yeah,
what would y'all change?
it looks good. It's just it doesn't really fit your style. It looks good like
What would you change about it?
it would be shorter.
Okay. What would you change about it?
Like, it wasn't a sweater.
What would it be? What would it be? If it
I
wasn't a
used to
sweater?
put that black shirt, like, at least go right here or something.
Uh-huh. Like it was a vest? It had no sleeves? Then that'll be better? Okay. Got it.
Wow.
You
That's
made
pretty.
that?
Yeah.
You made it?
Yeah. That was the first pattern test I did. When I said I was getting into pattern testing, where I like a designer designs something and I just make sure it works. That was the first one I did.
5.
Yeah.
5.
Wow.
It's like a, kind of like a grocery tote, I guess you could call it.
Is it lined?
No.
I would rate it a 4.8 then and
Because
suggest
it's
a
not
line
lined.
for it.
That makes sense.
I'd like a liner for that, but it's beautiful. I like it.
Oh yeah, that's 5. 5.
5?
I'll give that.
I'll give it like a
It looks like a beach bag. Like you can take to the beach and put in your
yeah.
water bottle and stuff. I just give it a 4 just because of the holes.
Yeah, because anything that's
I don't care about the holes. That's what makes it amazing. I love
I'm
it.
still giving it a 5.
But it's still a nice bag, and I like 5.
I'm giving it a 5.
See, that's
Did she
cool.
make that?
Yeah, all this stuff she's showing me.
Awesome.
Hot dog, Kareem.
Yeah,
This
that's a
is
5.
crochet.
The bag is crochet, but what I'm doing next to the bag is knitting.
Okay. And I always thought, I would say 5.
Okay.
I always thought crocheting was a bigger, like it would have these.
You're knitting this for the lining?
No,
Oh, that's
it didn't
just a
have a
different
lining,
bag.
so that's why other people gave it a 4 just because the holes are so big in the
Yeah.
bag. They said you couldn't really hold anything in it, which is true.
Oh, some stuff.
Pretty, huh?
Just can't hold pins.
Yeah, you can.
The wrap top I would rate a 5.
5.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Next
wrap top.
Oh, it's cute. That's a 5.
Definite 5.
That's cute. It's cut too low, huh?
3.
A 3? Because it's cut too low? Okay.
Yeah, I'll
I
add it
appreciate
to
that.
that time.
Okay.
It's 5. She
a
made
5.
that.
Okay. 5s?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that's pretty, Karita.
Thank you.
It's very pretty.
Give it a 4 because it's too low.
It could be a little bit higher.
That's what LT said as well.
Yeah,
No, that's pretty.
yeah, it's really pretty.
I love the everyday maxi dress.
Okay.
I would rate it a 5.
Okay. This is easier than I thought. This dress.
5. That's cute.
5.
That's a 3.
A 3?
Yeah.
5.
What would you change? Why would you make it a 3? Like, what would you change?
The color.
It's something that like a mother or a grandma. That doesn't fit your style at all.
It doesn't.
It's more like a swimsuit cover up.
Yeah.
That's a 5.
Yeah.
It's cute.
But
It's just
too
the
loose?
color.
Okay. You change it. What color would you choose?
Like a light, like a brighter, like that's something that
I'll change. I'll go with a 5.
It's a 5? Okay.
That's a 3.
Okay.
Oh, no way.
You made this dress.
Yes. Every time I call you, I say I'm crocheting or knitting something.
Well, yeah, but oh,
That's beautiful.
that's beautiful. It is.
A 5.
A
Yeah,
5?
5.
Okay.
Is that you with it on?
Uh-huh.
Wow. Man.
I would rate the super scarf a 5.
Okay.
Oh yeah, 5. You look like a model in these pictures.
Yeah, you do.
I like it.
Another 5 for me.
That's a 5.
Unbiased opinion, even though this is my pattern, what would you rate the whole mood midi skirt?
A 5. You know I would rate
There's
it a
nothing
5.
you change.
No, I like that. I like it a lot.
Okay.
5.
That's cute.
definitely a 5.
That looks like a
Okay,
model
wait.
would wear. That's a 5.
That is 1, because you got too much leg out.
It
fits you perfectly. It fits you perfectly too. That's a cute.
Yeah, it does.
4.
That's
I'll
cute.
make that a 4.
5.
I think my dad saw that one in the email.
I think so too. It's pretty. I would say a 5.
A 6.
A 6.
I love the
6
chair.
for your granddaughter? Is that what gives it a 6?
Yeah, that's what it is. I like the chair a lot, and I know my granddaughter likes it a lot in her room. I would rate that a 5.
Okay.
5.
5.
I want one of those.
Yeah, but she can't sit on it.
LT?
Yeah, because my dad hasn't drilled it in the wall yet, so I can sit on it.
Yeah, we're still waiting on that. Hopefully that happens soon. Y'all might have seen this one, but that's what I made for
Oh
Aubrey.
yeah, I saw that.
That's awesome.
Yeah. Did Terrell ever hang it?
He did it.
And it's the you like to put the pillows in there. And
Yeah, and it's on the crochet thing.
It's a 5.
Okay.
The Buttercup top, probably like a 4.5. I think it looks like it's too big.
It was kind of cut low, but that was my fault. I didn't really know what I was doing.
But not even just how low it's cut, even around
Like
near the
looser?
bottom, it looks really loose, and
Mhm.
it's like the sleeves, the shoulders
Mhm.
start over kind of far. It just looks like the sizing may be a little bit off.
Mhm.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
5.
That's so
That looks from the store.
cute.
That looks from the store.
Yeah,
It's from the
that's
store.
kind of like a 3. I don't like the.
You give it a 3?
I don't like the arms. The like the.
The fluff.
That's a 5 to me.
Yeah, I can see that.
I think it's a
I would say
4 because the fluffy
I
arms.
would say
Yeah.
It looks like kid, like a kid.
I would do a 3 because
So I
there's
can
way
wear
that
that.
keeps going
I can wear
this.
that.
I see.
I changed my answer. So mom, I can wear that. Mom, I can wear that.
Got it.
Yeah.
That's the same one, isn't it?
No, that the other one was like wrap top. This one's just a V-neck thing.
5.
No, let's do that. I would say a 5.
Oh.
That's nice.
I would rate that a 5. I really like
A
that
5?
one too. Mm-hmm.
That looks store bought. That looks
Yeah,
store
that
bought.
Wait,
He
is
does.
this a thing too, or is nothing there?
It's just like a what is it? Like a
We get a
You look like a model with these
Yeah.
faces.
Does this come with this?
no, it's like worn under it.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's pretty. That's a 5.
A 2? Why is it a 2?
It
too much
shows too much
skin.
your arm and this.
LT, if you're just gonna, it
It
doesn't matter about the skin.
That's too much for this one. Okay.
Beautiful. Oh my God, that's a 5 plus.
Wow, no 5.
That's probably my least favorite color. But you know, I like the variation. I told you I like that ombre where the greens are different.
Uh-huh.
I like that. I would rate that one. I would rate that one a 4.5.
Because the color?
Yeah, just I'm not a fan of green.
Okay.
Yeah, but I like it. All right, I like it, and the style.
Uh-huh.
It reminds me of back when we were in college.
Yeah.
it's
It
kind
was
of dated.
based on a 70s waistcoat.
Yeah, it's a 70s style, and
Yeah.
I just I don't know. I'm not exactly a fan of the style, but it's pretty. Yeah, you did a wonderful job on it.
Mm-hmm. What would you?
So 4.5 might be low. Let's do a 4.8.
Okay, 4.8.
Oh, that's cute. 5.
Perfect. LT is like. So what do you give it, LT?
I'll do it 5.
A 1 because
That's
it's too much leg
perfect.
showing.
Yeah.
That's
Okay.
super cute. That's
Wow. I would make that in red. No, that's pretty. That's a 5.
Yeah, another 5. So this is a vest.
Yeah.
A 5.
A 5?
Definitely. I think the socks are great.
Okay.
yes. Socks exactly like that. That is cute. Yes. 5.
Can I give you a 5?
How would you give it 4?
Because I don't know, I feel like the texture, I don't know. Like it's
It's
cute,
a
it's cute, I like it. It's just like the yarn. I don't like the yarn.
Interest?
It's like too what, fluffy?
Yeah, like woolly.
And then
I
it's
like that.
creative.
These are the socks?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Need it?
Yeah.
5.
Okay. I would rate the hat a 5. That is a really cute hat, and I like the color.
Mm-hmm. It's the same color as this too.
Yeah.
It's a 5.
The 5?
That looks store bought.
That's a
It does.
5.
Will you do more colors? If you were to make more?
I think that's a 5 because like it
Not for me.
shows-
The hat.
Oh, that's
Wow.
nice. I would say 5.
That's 5. Wow.
The wreath that I made that is dedicated to you. It's called a Jesus Season Christmas Wreath. That's going to be my second pattern release.
Oh, I like that. I really like that.
I'm thinking about adding a bow, but I'm not.
That's what
I
I'm
haven't
saying.
done
It
it
needs something in the middle. It
Yeah.
needs something else.
Mhm.
Yes. You can do a bow or cross, whatever,
Mhm.
but that's pretty.
Mm-hmm.
I really like that. It's 5.
A 5 too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that a wreath?
Christmas wreath?
I didn't want to say anything. That's cute.
Yeah,
That
that
is
is cute.
cute. Wait, you made that?
Where
Yeah.
would the bow be?
That's
I was going to put it at the top or at the bottom.
That's
No,
a five.
both? My mom is even saying that it needs more.
You should hang it up on our door. That's a
The other
vibe.
thing you could do is you could just like lay it on a table and put like a candle in it, like a Christmas candle in it.
Yeah, but I don't see the bow. I gotta look and see what it looks like with the bow.
Okay.
Five.
A Christmas
The wreath.
wreath.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Beautiful.
I might add a bow or something because it seems like it's missing something, but I'm still working on that.
5.
4 because it needs a bow.
Okay.